Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you my hair care routine. This is based on trial and error. I'm gonna do another video on other hair products that I have that I've used before, so like empty or half empty bottles. This current hair care routine is based on advice that I've seen online. For example, Milabu talks about using the Olaplex No. 3 treatment and the Olaplex No. 4 and 5 shampoo, especially before and after you dye your hair, so that you give it some extra moisture and hydration. And the Blowout professor actually talks about the fact that the only Olaplex products that you need are No. 3, No. 6, and No. 7. But I did buy the full Olaplex range, so I'm gonna do another video on how you would use all of them if you have also purchased all of them already. He also talks about the fact that only people with medium to coarse hair should use Olaplex No. 4 and No. 5, which is the case for me, and he recommends different types of shampoos for other types of hair, like fine hair, for example. He also talks about the fact that the best purple product is a hair mask, because the purpose of purple products is actually to tone your hair. So if you would use a shampoo, you would need also a normal shampooing first before you use the toner shampoo. And you do need to leave the toner in for about 5 to 10 minutes. So naturally the best product to use for that is a mask. The final thing that he mentions is that the only products that you need for your hair are shampoo and conditioner, a leave-in conditioner, and I'm gonna come back to that. I know that this is a leave-in treatment, a hair protection product, and a hair oil. Now, with all this in mind, let's get to my current hair care routine. As you can see here, there's a small separation. That's because I have my during shower routine and my after shower routine. Let's start first with the during shower products that I use. So I wash my hair about every 3 to 4 days, so about twice a week. Once a week I use the Olaplex No. 3, once a week I use the purple mask. Let's start with the Olaplex No. 3. So this product is a treatment, not a conditioner, that reduces breakage and visibly strengthens hair, improving look and feel. It retails for $30 for 100 milliliters on their website, and I purchased it for 23 francs on easycosmetic.ch. The way you use this product is on damp hair, so not soaking wet. You should squeeze it and towel dry it. They say that you should apply a considerable amount of product to actually cover your full hair, but you see this is like a very tiny product for a lot of money. So I would say, in my experience, you can use as much product as you would use with any other mask. You simply distribute it throughout your hair and you leave it in for, they say you can leave it in for up to 20 minutes. I usually leave it in for about 10 minutes and then I rinse it off. The second product that I use is the Olaplex No. 4, the shampoo. So this is a shampoo that repairs and protects hair from everyday stress, including damaged hair, split ends, and frizz by relinking broken bonds. It retails for $30 on their website, and I bought it for 22 francs on easycosmetic.ch. The way you use this product is like any other shampoo. If anything, a little goes a long way. I would say I use less of this product than any other shampoo I've used before. You simply put it in your hand, you apply it to wet hair, focusing on the scalp, since that's the part of your hair that gets dirty and oily, and then you rinse it off. The next product that I use, as I said, is a purple mask. This is the Redken purple mask, and it is basically a mask that keeps your blonde hair in the best condition. It fights breaths and it helps keep your blonde cool, bright, and healthy. The way you use it is similar to the Olaplex No. 3 on damp hair, so not soaking wet but rather towel dry hair. If you want, you can use gloves if you think that your fingertips or your nails will get that purple color, but in my experience this mask particularly washes pretty well. So I literally just apply it to all my hair, all the parts that are bleached, and then I leave it in for about 10 minutes and then I rinse it off. And the final product that I use in the shower is the Olaplex number 5, the conditioner that leaves your hair easier to manage, shinier and healthier with each use. It protects and repairs damaged hair, split ends and frizz by relinking broken bonds, similar to the Olaplex number 4. You use it as a normal conditioner, you apply a little bit to your hand and then you apply it to damp, not soaking wet hair, and you leave it in for about 2 to 3 minutes and then you can rinse it off. This basically summarizes my in-shower hair care routine. Let's now move on to the products that I use once I'm out of the shower. The first product that I use is the Olaplex number 6. And again, here I just wanted to mention that the Blow Up Professor says that the product that you should use is a leave-in conditioner, not a leave-in treatment. And I will purchase the product that he recommends for that once I finish the Olaplex number 6, and I will let you know if I actually see a considerable difference. The reason why you need a leave-in treatment or a leave-in conditioner is because you basically rinse out the conditioner that you use in the shower. So you need a product that will keep the moisture in your hair until the next wash. The Olaplex number 6 is a leave-in treatment that smooths, conditions and strengthens without adding hold or excess weight. It speeds up blow dry time while smoothing, it softly defines and smooths air-dried curls, and it reduces frizz and flyaways for up to 72 hours. It retails for $30 on their website and I bought it for $18 on ctotal.ch. The way you use it is simple. Once you get out of the shower, you basically towel dry your hair and then you apply a very small amount. I use about half a pump for my length and medium to coarse hair. You can use more if you have longer or thicker hair. And you just apply it, focusing mostly on the mid to end length of your hair. And I actually also use a wet brush just to make sure that the product distributes evenly throughout the hair. Once I'm done with this, I actually start blow drying my hair. I use the Air Wrap blow dryer for that. And if you know about the Dyson Air Wrap blow dryer, basically it's a product that measures the temperature of your hair and adjusts the temperature of the blow dryer about 100 times per second. And what this gives you is the chance to start blow drying your hair on low temperature. And once I feel like the temperature is raising, so my hair is getting dry, I apply the next product, which is the thermal protection. And one thing that you should look out for is whichever thermal protection product you use, it should write thermal protection on it. It should not be like an oil that also protects from heat or a conditioner that also protects from heat. It should be devoted to protecting your hair from high temperature hairstyling. And this product is the Redken Thermal Spray 11 Low Hold. I have actually heard that the 22 Strong Hold is also amazing. I was not able to find it in Europe, but for those of you in the US, please give it a go and let me know what the difference is. And if you're based in Europe and you know where to find it, let me know. I would love to purchase it and tell you guys the differences between the two products. So this is a lightweight thermal protection spray that protects hair for a silky smooth finish when heat styling. It's perfect to use with flat irons and curling irons up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 230 degrees Celsius. It retails for $22 on Amazon and I purchased it for 17 francs on notino.ch. The way you use this product is very simple. You just have to shake it well before you use it, and then you section your hair and you apply it all over your hair. I would say about 8 to 12 sprays for my hair length and my hair thickness. Once you are done with this product, you can actually go back and fully blow dry your hair and then style it either with a flat iron, curling iron, whatever you prefer. So the final product that I use is the Olaplex number 7 bonding oil. This is a styling oil that dramatically increases shine, softness and color vibrancy while minimizing flyaways and frizz. It retails for $30 on the Olaplex website like all the other products here, but I purchased it for 21 francs on ctotal.ch. The way you use it, very simple. You just put a couple of drops on your hand, you warm it up with your hands, and then you apply it mostly on the ends of your hair, since those are the parts of your hair that are dry and cannot like moisturize or like hydrate by themselves. I will do a separate video on how I use this oil together with the wet brush in between washes, but the last thing that I want to mention is that on the official Olaplex website, it actually says that you should use the Olaplex number 6 together with the Olaplex number 7 on wet hair, and I have tried that, but for me, I get the best results if I use the Olaplex number 6 on wet hair and the Olaplex number 7 on dry styled hair. So these are all the hair products that I use for my hair routine at the moment. And I already mentioned before that different products work better for different types of hair. I just want to mention two things here. I'm not sponsored to talk about any of these products. This is just what works for me at the moment. If you have any questions, please post them down below. We will do our best to answer each and every one of them. But for the moment, we will leave it here. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon. Bye.